Hi team, I hope that you're having a beautiful and peaceful Monday and that you are well rested. I'm here to talk to you about what you're going to be doing with the sub today. So many of you know this, you're going to be working on your object project over the next 2 days. This object project is going to be very similar to the object project that you did as a group, but it is going to be different in one way, and that is that you're choosing an object that is personal to you. So unlike the object project you did as a group that was a little more random, this object is going to be personal to you. And the reason for that is that you are also going to create, or you're going to describe the context in which you've come into contact with this object. We've talked so many times over the course of this class about the way that context creates the meaning. So the context in which you have come into contact with the object is going to be one of the things that is like kind of like the lens or the filter in which you choose your core concepts, your framework, and then also your ways of knowing from. I did not collect your group object project because I wanted you to have that as an example for you to maybe look at as you're doing your own object project, but similar as before. So even though you know what your object is, you're still going to come up with a list of generated questions about your object. You're going to do a little bit of research in order to deepen your knowledge about the object. And then just like what you all did with your nice presentations that you gave, you're going to give your explanation of your object and how it holds knowledge. And remember that your analysis that you do of the object is that you are not explaining, like you're not doing research on your object and then summarizing it to the class. Just like what many of you all did in your object project group work, is that you are going to explain how your object demonstrates and holds knowledge. Email me if you have any questions. You're going to be working on this today and also tomorrow. Tomorrow, which is Tuesday, you're going to be spending some time doing a journal for our next theme that we're going to be moving into, which is Indigenous societies. I hope that you have a great Monday. I hope that you're nice to the sub. I hope you're nice to each other. I hope you're nice to yourself. And I'll see you on Wednesday.